Hello friends. So in our last part of our video, we have discussed about LAN and WAN and IP address. Okay, so in last part, what we have discussed about, what is LAN, same network ID, what is WAN, different network ID, and we have discussed about IP address in our last lecture. So after the conclusion, we discussed about that A class is 1 to 126, B class is 128 to 191, C class is 192 to 223. Okay, so what we have discussed that A class IP addresses are 10002, 126, 255, 255, 255. But actual IP address 10012, 126, 255, 255, 254. Like these are the valid IP addresses. Same as for B class and same as for C class. But our topic is pending that how we can represent it like a LAN, how to make LAN and how to make WAN. So with these range of IP address, we need to know about one basic concept that IP address are not only a single part for communication. We need one more part of IP address with the communication that named is subnet mask. Subnet mask. So if you will try to give IP address of A class to any PC, like you are going to give IP address to your LAN card, then you will check, then when you give A class IP address, then automatically this value will placed in subnet mask option. In B class 255, 255.00 will be there. In C class 255, 255, 255.0, this will be there. Like for example, here we have one PC. Okay, for example, this is Rajeev's PC. Okay, Rajeev's PC with connected with any other PC like XYZ. So Rajeev has given 10.0.0.1 IP. So automatically Rajeev will get 255.0.0.0 subnet mask. If Rajeev will give 172.16.0.1 IP, so it is in the range of B class. So Rajeev will get this subnet mask. And after that, if anybody use 200.0.0.1 IP, we know that it is the range of C class. So we will get this subnet mask. So this subnet mask is the like important part of our IP address. How? Because it has some key roles. What are the key roles? Because if we have subnet mask, then we easily divide from IP address that which part is my network ID and which part is my host ID. So with the help of subnet mask, we can divide this. Okay, let me clear this once and I will write subnet mask again. A class subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Okay, so first we have to see A class. So this is a range of IP address. So what is the meaning of 255 in binary? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 meaning 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Done? So this is the meaning of subnet mask, that there are 8 ones and 24 zeros are in there in A class. Okay, so it means that on bits are in A class are 8 and off bits are 24. Similarly, if we give B class IP address 255.255.0.0, then 8 ones, 8 ones, 16 ones are in B class and 16 zeros are in B class. So this is the portion of A class. In B class, on bit are 16, off are 16, like both are same. In C class of subnet mask, this one 24 ones and 8 part of 0. So in C class, on bit are 24, off bit are 8. Now, the important concept in this, if in computer language 0 known for off bit and 1 is known for on bit, then in network part, on bit represents network ID. On bit means 1. It represents network ID and off bit represents host ID. Okay, understand the concept. So if we check in A class, 8 bit are of network ID, 24 bit are of host ID. Like host ID means how many hosts can be used in this network. In B class, 16 bit is network, 16 bit is host. In C class, 24 bit are network, 8 bits are off. Okay, let me clear you here. So for example, if we are using subnet mask, like it is used to device, like if anybody asks you from that why we use subnet mask if we have IP addresses, then subnet mask is used to divide network ID and host ID from IP address. How? Because in A class 8.1 and 24.0, in B class 16.1, 16.0, and in C class 24.1, 8 zeros. And 1 means network ID and 0 means host IDs. Okay, what is the meaning of host ID? Let me explain. Host ID means in A class 24 bits are host, means 2 raised to power 24 host we can use, approximately 16 million. It is not the exact value, like it is 1 crore 60 lakhs. Okay, 16 million. 2 raised to power 16. In B class we can use 65536 IP address. In C class we can use only 256 IP address in my class. So network ID and host ID like represents that A class, B class, C class have their exact value of host, like in one class how many hosts I can use. Now come to the main point. We have discussed about in IP address LAN and WAN. In LAN, the portion of LAN same network ID, and WAN means different network ID plus router. Don't forget this thing. Like if you have one PC connected to another PC, okay, for example this PC's IP address is 10.0.0.1, so it is A class, so it is my network part, because subnet mask is going to represent that 8 bit of IP address are network ID. If second PC have same network ID like 10 and host can be any, like both are from A class, if network ID is same, then this is called LAN. Even if you are using any B class IP 160.1.1.1, but subnet mask is this, so this part should be network ID. If you want to make this LAN, then your both 16 bit you have to be same and another bit you can to be different. This is called LAN. Same as for 202.2.2, so 255.255.255.0, this part is your network ID. Then on another side 202.2 should be same and host ID should be different. This is called LAN, local area network. And in WAN we have to say different network ID plus router is being used. So for example, we have one switch and we have 3 IP addresses are here, like 20.0.0.1, 20.0.0.2, 20.0.0.3. So we have subnet mask 255.0.0.0. So if my 20, 20 and 20 is same, it means this is my LAN. You can say LAN 1. And if you want to extend this, you can use switch also, cross cable, like 20.0.0.4. Even we have multiple switches but my network ID should be same. It is again LAN. But if we have another switch that has like, for example, class is same, but IP address is 50.0.0.1, 50.0.0.2, 50.0.0.3. Now class is same, 50, 50, 50. So this is called LAN 2. But 50 is different from 20. So if we connect this, it will not connect because network ID is different. So when we connect this switch with one router, and router is connected to this. Now router is a device which works on different network ID. For example, here router is using 20.0.0.10 IP. Here router is using 50.0.0.10 IP. So on the both port of router having different network ID, and router is going to connect with 20 to 50. So different network ID plus router concept becomes WAN. So this is the exact definition of WAN. Thank you so much.